The first onset of winter, when the acorns fall like rain in the wood, I want people to strive towards prowess without hesitation, and that they are as eager to achieve it as if we were in the grassy season. Well, then every lesser man complains when he sees the cold weather and the puddles, which make him grumble because he has to get ready and start bargaining. While in the summer he doesn't need to be dressed and can go around naked except for a rag. These types resemble the badger in the evening when they are full and sated after the wine, and in the morning they have lost all memory. These ashen cowards who swear one has never seen such an ugly time. A young man of handsome appearance I see deceived by wickedness, because they go boasting, they say planning 1,000 projects. We'll do this in the flowery season. But then the bragging and noise stop. They have the habits of a hound dog who says that when the light comes he'll build a house. Then when it is there, if one urges him to deliver, he isn't listened to nor heard. As far as it concerns him, wood was never worked. Husbands, you would be the best people in the world, but each of you turns into a lover, which confounds you, and the cunts have put themselves on the market. So youth is banned far away, and one dubs you cuckolds for it. The price of